In my previous videos, I described or I showed different SolidWorks 2D commands, and in my video, I am going to show how to use the Smart Dimension tool. So let's begin. So at first, draw a line. Just draw a line. Select. Now select the Smart Dimension tool. Now click here and put the dimension. For example, take 10. Enter. Okay. So we have made a line of 10. Now check the unit. It is mm, that means millimeter gram second. So it is, this line is 10 millimeter. Now select line again, and from this point draw a line. Now select Smart Dimension again. Now we are going to find the angle between this line and this line. So first select this line and select this line. Now put the angle, for example 60 degree. Enter. Okay. Now draw a circle. Okay. Smart Dimension, and take the diameter, for example 12 mm. Okay. Now select rectangle. Now draw a rectangle. Okay. Now select Smart Dimension and take this one, for example 10 mm, and this width 8 mm. Now select 3-point arc. Draw a arc. Okay. Smart Dimension, and take the radius, for example 5, and this distance, okay, take it 10. Okay. Now for the slot, select slot. Now draw a slot. Okay. Smart Dimension, this line you may take 12 or something else. Now distance between these two lines 5 mm. Okay. So these are the ways by which we can use the Smart Dimension tool. So I think this video will help you very much, and if you think that this is useful, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share my videos. And if you have any question, you can ask them in the comment box. Thank you.